Alright, hey Soul Fam. Remember when I told you that if I was onto something that helped me be more successful, I would share it with you right away? Like this video, and I'll tell you all about it. Alright, hold on. I don't have a fancy show reel. I don't have a fancy intro, so here we go. Alright, hi, how are you? You know that I'm leveling up. You know that I am geared for success. You know that when I find something that helps me be more successful, I love sharing it with you guys. Jupiter, don't play with the tripod. So, Soul Fam Collective, this is for you. You guys have asked me, and I've had a couple of different questions about this. And it's like, hey Char, how are you getting your subscriber count so high? Hey Char, how are you doing this with your channel? Hey Char, how do you do keywords? So I have been learning about that stuff along the way. There's lots of YouTube advice available if you are in the partner program. Our YouTube, the partnership program, has its own full course on how to do everything you need to do to be a YouTuber. However, I have found a secret trick, which is my new best friend, and I've been trying it out for the last like 2 months, and I don't know enough about it to be able to say, hey, let me teach you. I'm sharing with you how I have become more successful in such a short time, and it is free, and it is crazy. So I'm using this thing called TubeBuddy, and I've watched my mentors use this throughout the years, and people have been like, oh, you should just download this, it's an app, blah 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 blah. And I finally gave in, and I did a proper dive into it to see what kind of reviews it has, and it has amazing reviews, by the way. And it's an app that you just download onto your computer, and it helps you with so many things for YouTube. Like I have proper default settings now. I have the opportunity, you'll notice in the gratitude vlog, those thumbnails I made with TubeBuddy. I'm trying out new editing software, so hopefully I can put their logo here. You guys, I'm trying to level up my channel, right? And I want to take you to level up your channel too, because I know I have a lot of YouTubers in the Soul Fam Collective, and we're all here together to support one another. So, also, another thing about it is it helps with SEO, the back end of things, like where you have the opportunity to put all your keywords and stuff in that box. It helps you find those. It has really good suggestions for that. So it really helps you expand your thought process. And if you just pay attention and do it over and over again, you'll learn a lot by doing it hands-on. It talks about lots of different things. There are so many different things that you can do in the free aspect of it alone. Honestly, I fell in love with it, and I had bought the tier 1 within the first week. So how I did that, also, this is amazing because you guys, truly, I believe in it. I use it every freaking day. They also have an affiliate program. So I'll leave you my affiliate link, and if you guys want the free version, click that. And it'll help you out, and it'll help me out. And then you can go and read everything that it has to offer. You don't have to sign up for it right away. You can click that link and you can read about it. I took my time signing up for it. I really did. And you know what? I regret it. I should have done this like years ago. Lots of the big YouTubers that I follow use this as a guide, as a helper for publishing YouTube videos. So I started using it. I've seen an increase in my views. I've seen an increase in my reach. I've seen an increase in my money, the monetary value, the RPM, and overall on my channel, I've seen an increase. And I've seen an increase in subscribers. So that tells me that the little tiny bit that I'm doing right now, and I'm just baby learning it. I'm so baby learning. Oh, the cat's behind my picture. I'm so baby learning it right now. But that tells me that what I am using TubeBuddy for is working on my channel. It is teaching me the things I need to know to be more successful on YouTube. So I'm really excited to share it with you. They do have an affiliate program. So if somebody does click your link and they decide to sign up, you get a portion of that, which residual, whatever, however they do it. Okay, so I'm just telling you this so that you use the free one. There is a free app. Click the link in my description. I will make it the first thing right there for you. And it will help you find the keywords that you're looking for. It will help explain SEO. It will help explain the metadata that's a little confusing if you're not quite sure what you're doing. And so I do this on my computer. I do not do this on any of my mobiles. I do this on my computer. So you'll have to see what the function is for your personal thing. But I promised you guys I would let you know what I'm doing and what is being successful. And holy cow, this TubeBuddy, jump on it. I'll give you my link. And yeah, try the free version of it. It is free. I fell in love with it and I find it helpful. It is, to me, worth the $10 a month I think I pay. I don't know. But like I said, I've seen an increase in views. I've seen an increase in subscribers. I've seen an increase in reach. I've seen an increase in monetary. So I would show you all this flashy stuff, but like I said, I am just learning a brand new editing software program as well. So I'm just giving you this short one. I'm not an expert on using it yet, and once I learn a little bit more, I will be more than happy to share it with you. And if you have any other questions, please let me know, and I will make a video for you. All right, Soul Fam Collective, much love to you. Thanks for listening to me. Click that link and check it out. It really, 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 really has helped me so far. And you guys that have been with me for the last forever, you've watched it happen in the last month and a half, 2 months, and that's when I started using this. So just honestly review, letting you know I'm using this to be successful. Other tarot readers, I highly suggest you click that link because it'll help get you seen. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you later.